One of the most used ways today to increase visibility is by conducting sweepstakes. They are a great opportunity for the company to connect with their public and increase brand awareness. 1. Comment Picker. It is totally free, easily and fast to use. It works with any number of comments. You just have to log in with Instagram, copy and paste the link of the publication in your search engine. You can do this by entering the photo of the giveaway from the PC or by clicking on the 3 points of the publication in the Instagram app and clicking copy link and clicking on start. It is used for Instagram, Facebook and YouTube giveaways. 2. Giveawation. This application chooses the winner by logging in to the Instagram and selecting the publication to be wrapped. It is free, but only once you can determine the winners of the same publication. You can choose winners of a raffle in photos with up to 150 comments. 3. App Sweepstakes. This tool chooses the winner by copying and pasting the link of the publication in your search engine. You can do this by entering the photo of the raffle by clicking on the 3 points of the publication in the Instagram app and clicking copy link. Have a paid plan up to 1,000 comments. Paid plans start at $1.49. It is one of the cheapest tools. You can choose the winner of a contest as many times as you want. It is unlimited, no registration required. It allows you to choose participation terms, exclude duplicates, retag certain users and comments, filter by hashtags, and filter those who mentioned a specific user.